Hey guys, I'm Nick Martin from EagleNXT. Just here to tell you a little bit about what we have going on at the Drone Nerds Elevate event. EagleNXT, formerly known as Ag Eagle, we make sensors and we make drones. I'll just show you the couple drones that we have real quick and then we'll move to the sensors. Right here is our mapping drone. This is called the EB-TAC. This drone is capable of mapping large areas in a low amount of time. You can fly this drone for about 90 minutes and it can map at about 1,200 acres or 500 hectares per flight. So our customers love this drone for mapping huge areas that most other drones can't map without a battery swap. Secondly, we have our other drone here from EagleNXT. This is a different product. This is new for us. This is not a mapping drone. This is called the EB Vision. And the EB Vision is what we call an ISR drone. So this is an intelligence collection drone that's designed for military end users, usually the battalion level and below, to get an organic ISR capability for a tactical team in the field. So say that an operator wants to see up to 10 miles away, they could fly the EB Vision drone and get a full motion video feed from our gimbal system down here that's going to provide the user with RGB video and thermal video. So this drone has a lot of autonomous flight features in it. It's really easy to fly. It can fly for about 10 miles and 90 minutes. So those are our two drones. And let's just talk about our sweet sensor. We have a few different sensors here. Pardon the mess. The Altum PT right here is our thermal option from MicaSense. MicaSense is an EagleNXT brand. This is our 5-band plus a thermal for 6-band MicaSense imaging there. For some of our newer products, I'm going to take you over here to the Red Edge P Triple. This is a new product that we're introducing here at the Elevate show. This is a combination camera system that provides 15 bands of information from the red spectrum, green, and the blue spectrum. So our customers are able to get extremely high levels of information about things like their agriculture, their research plots. Military users use this to find camouflage netting in the forest. There's a lot of different information you can get from multispectral sensors, and MicaSense is the leading multispectral sensor offering in the United States. So MicaSense and SenseFly compose the company called EagleNXT. I want to thank you all for coming, dropping by the EagleNXT booth, and say thanks to our friends at Drone Nerds too.